Namaste, my dear Karyans. Welcome back to Vedic Productivity Talks with DGVG. I am Vanita Ganesh Murthy, your Vedic to do list coach and the founder of Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub, where we combine ancient Vedic science with modern clarity to help you lead a life of focus, flow, and fulfillment. Today's episode is special because today we invoke the energy of luminary, not just a word but an inner awakening. The rishis, acharyas, and Vedic leaders of ancient Bharat did not follow random routines. They followed Ritha, the cosmic order. The productivity came from Pratyahara, Sankalpa, and Dharma. And now it's time for you to embody the same. Are you ready to rise as a modern Vedic luminary? The first Vedic ritual is called Trikala Sadhana. It means aligning your awareness with the three sacred times of the day: morning, midday, and evening. At sunrise, ask, what is my sankalpa today? What am I going to do? At midday, fast and reflect, am I walking in dharma or drifting in distraction? Consciously check on your distractions. At sunset, journal softly, what did I learn, realize, and receive today? This daily Trikala check-in transforms your to-do list into tapasya, a sacred offering. The second practice is what I call dharma anchoring. Before taking any actions, ask, does this align with my soul's purpose, or does it align with my sankalpa of today's task? When your tasks are rooted in dharma, they are no longer chores, they become yajna, sacred offerings. The Vedic luminary does not just act, they act with bhava, that is divine intention. Try this today. Before you do something important, whisper, I offer this work to my dharma. Feel the shift. Your heart knows the truth. Our third practice comes from Hatha Yoga, the technique of Nadi Shuddhi or alternative nostril breathing. Why do this? Because before any divine act, we cleanse our energy channels. Sit quietly, close your right nostril, inhale slowly through the left, hold, then exhale gently through the right. Switch, do 3 rounds. This 90-second ritual calms your prana, stills the manas, and awakens the buddhi. Now step into your work. You will feel guided, not just driven. So, my modern day luminaries, these are 3 Vedic rituals for today: Trikala Sadhana, reflect and with time; Dharma anchoring, lead with purpose; Nadi Shuddha, pause, purity before performance. These are not habits, these are codes of cosmos. You are ready to receive them. Practice even one day, and when you do, tag me at DGVG_Vanita with your word of the day luminary. Let the light within you rise, because Bharat needs Vedic leaders who led with inner clarity, and you are that Vedic leader. This is Vanita Ganesh Murthy, bowing to the light within you. May your actions be sacred, may your days be aligned, may your journey be filled with Shanti and Siddhi. Until next time, where goals meet grace, productivity becomes peace. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.